Welcome to Lone Wolf Capital Trade and Grow with Me playlist for the week ending 28th of June 2026. Alright, we'll start the week by going through the trades we closed for the week ending. So basically we closed for the TradFi segment of the fund. So the first trade we closed, which was on Friday 26, closed with a ticker symbol BBWI, that is bed bats, and so we closed that ticker symbol with a loss of $3. So the signal he gave the signal to close the trade, so we immediately closed the trade. Then also, and that is on the 26th of June, we also closed the next ticker symbol we closed with LPL, which is for LG, and we closed that with a loss of $48.30. Then also Oracle, we closed that with a loss of minus 51.38. Remember, with any instrument that the signal signals to close or to open a trade, I follow exactly the rule. So we did that with Oracle as well. We did that with the ticker symbol plug, PLUG, and we had a loss of minus $9.60. RSG minus $25.23. And Tesla, which is TSLA, we had a loss of minus $22.46. Then Uber, we took a profit. It indicated for us to close and actually gave an indication to open a long trade. We shorted that and we made a profit of $41.41. It didn't, just like a 1x profit. Then Unilever, ticker symbol UL, we had a loss there of minus $43.41. Ticker symbol ALP also had a loss there, minus $48. All right. Notwithstanding, we're still on the profit side for the TradFi. Some trades I entered, they are also making profits, but I can't close those trades. We have to allow the trades to run. So from there we go to trades that we opened. Alright, we'll start with the first, which is Herbalife. Yes, this gave us an entry on Friday on the 26th. It gave me a buy entry and we entered that on Friday. It's also doing well and we expect it to follow the trend. Then also we opened with the ticker symbol RAG. That's RAG. I also closed there. We will now open a long position there as well. And then Uber, ticker symbol UBER, we also opened a long position from there after taking the profit from the short trade we took. So that one too is also going accordingly. And United Health, ticker symbol UNH, a signal to open the trade in this particular ticker symbol. Then the new kid in the block, this iShares MSCI Brazil ETF is a kind of an index for Brazilian stock. So it's like giving me an exposure to the Brazilian market. So I opened a position on this as well, a long position, and hopefully the trend will, the price will follow with the trend. If it goes contrary to what the signal indicates and the signal tells me to close, I have to also close the trade. So for now, we've entered the trade and it's going well. Also, this ones too gave me a signal, but by the time I checked the market at entry, it moved away. The price has really appreciated above the entry price. So I either wait for it to pull back, or like this Rivian, Rivian with the ticker symbol RIVN. So I'll wait for a pullback, because based on the daily time frame, under 1 hour, it's kind of showing me it has gone up to a point that it might need a kind of a pullback. So I'll wait for a possible pullback, though I put a buy limit for it at this entry price of $15.63. Likewise, RNG, I also put a buy limit here as well at $37.18. So I'll wait for either a pullback. If it does not hit the buy limit, I will see later if I can still enter the trade, if it's still within my tolerable price range. So that's for the trades that I've entered. So next we'll look at the perspective. What is the direction of the market? We'll go through the indices. So I'll first start with the Nasdaq. If you observe, the market has been in a consolidatory pattern. That's why also is showing strength. It's showing that the market tends to be bullish, despite all the back and forth from the US-Iran peace deal and all that. But based on the instruments, stocks that have closed, taking profit, and so it's kind of, most of my short positions are quite winding up gradually. So a market is trying to indicate that it wants to take a buy bias. So the bulls are actually, pushing the market, though the bears too are also countering as well. You can see that from the charts, from the daily chart. It's very obvious. You can see it's trending within this channel range. This was the previous resistance from the last current resistance. See, they're almost at the same level, and as well the support is almost the same level as the previous. So its price is in a range. So some stocks can be acting bullish, some stocks will be acting bearish. So what remains is for a clear signal from the market, and I believe that macroeconomics factors are affecting the price direction for the time being. So that is for Nasdaq. The same is also reflecting in the S&P 500. You can see it's almost the same issue as well. Market is consolidatory, as well as the Dow Jones index as well. So if you go to this is the Brazilian, okay, seeing the Brazilian as well, it's trying to go up as well. And I also checked let's check the Indian ETF as well. The Indian ETFs is also, the bears are trying to gain ground as well. So everything is still in order. It's just for the bull market, the price to break above. It is actually broken above the current resistance, but it has not gained that momentum. So it's for it to gain momentum and let the upwards direction of the price continue trending. Likewise, the Hong Kong, the Hong Kong index as well. As like I said, they were short position, they are trending downwards, but as of lately, you can see from the previous week candle, the end closing of this daily candle on Friday, you can see that rejection. The price rejected, trending downwards. So I'm suspecting it might start trying to gain a footing before it then continues to trend upwards. But till then, I don't trade on emotion, so I will wait for a clear signal for me to either take profit. But with this particular candle pattern, it might be intuitive for me to take this profit from the way it's acting, but we'll see before the end of this week. Depending on how the market is behaving, I will now decide whether I will take that profit because there are some factors that are indicating that there's going to be a bull market across the global markets. So Europe as well, you can see everybody is trying to trend upward, and the US dollar index, I also opened a position on this. The US dollar is no longer gaining too much strength. I think it will soon try to consolidate within a price range, but for that's just my opinion. The indicators will tell me what to do later on in the future. But for now, the market is kind of consolidating. It has not gained a full direction, but most likely the markets will continue to trend upwards. So most likely because the US government have the Trump administration are already boxed in, so they need to seek a peace deal, at least something that will allow commerce to be flowing through that Strait of Hormuz. So we're looking at it, and we're looking at macroeconomic factors and compare them as well. Like I said, I use technical analysis for like 80%, 80 to 90% of my decisions, and fundamentals like 10 to 20%. So we'll keep on watching and see how the market behaves after this week. So from there, let us go through to our account, what we have. Going through the account statements ending this 28th of June. For the TradFi, basically the TradFi is what we're concentrating on right now. We opened that with initial $3,000. We are still ranging because of, like I said, the market hasn't taken a full direction, but this shows how improved the system is. For the past 2 months now, that's 8 weeks, most day traders have been wiped off. But this is a testament to the how good this trading system is. I'm not significantly on the downside in the TradFi. I'm still maintaining. So it's just for the market to start trending. Once the market starts trending now, we'll have a positive bottom line. So currently we are just at a marginal profit of, let's say, approximately $200 profit. Hopefully in the next few weeks to come and months, markets will have a clear direction, whether upwards or downwards, and then we'll make profit from the trend. For the crypto side, I admit I messed up at the beginning. I was sentimentally on the buy side, but I'm still hanging on. We'll see how that develops. But for now, the crypto market is showing a relative strength. Let me go through the total. The crypto market is showing a relative strength, a strong floor support around the current price to like four months ago. You can see from Bitcoin as well. But let's go through Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, I would say, is the alpha of the tokens. So whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of the market follows. So you can see there's a strong support. If you look at the weekly time frame, there's a strong support around the $60 price range. So it has failed to break below that. It tries to break it, but it bounces back. So I'll see if at the end of the week, if it breaks continuously downwards, then we call it a good buy for that, and we have to like recapitalize our crypto segment of the trade. So for now, we'll stay hanging on, see how it will go. So that's it for the week. Hopefully next week we'll have a positive note in the market direction, because swing trade, one disadvantage swing trade has its consolidatory markets. swing trade doesn't make profit when market is consolidating. It only makes profit when market trends. So if the market is trending up, we make profits based on entering at the following most of the stocks following the price direction. If it is trending down, also short the market to make profit as the market also goes down. So for now, for the past 8 weeks, the market has been consolidatory, generally been concentrated. So we'll see how things progress. Hopefully very soon markets will trend either upwards or downwards. So we'll see in the next week. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also share some comments in the comment section. See you later.